All right, just coming up on one of the best beaches I know of in the entire world, especially good for finding bonfire pieces like that one right there. Used to be an old bottling plant here, and they would toss all the remains of old bottles and stuff that they would burn over the cliffs here. You see pretty big cliffs. Kind of a tough spot to get to. Kind of got to shimmy down some trees and all kinds of stuff. There's an easier way to get here, but it takes like 10 times longer. So I prefer to go the more fun and ragged route. You can see the beach is literally made of glass here. Obviously, because it was a bottling company, there are lots of whites, browns, and green painted pieces. There's also a lot of pieces that have painted marks on them. So back in the day, at least here, they didn't press the names of the bottles onto the bottles themselves. They just kind of had a paint label. So a lot of times when they burn the glass, these painted labels will get stuck between the glass. You can see there's some blue stuck in there. That's a really neat one. Now, I came to this beach the other day when I first got here. Didn't find much, wrong time of the day. Just some really high low tides at the moment. You know, the low tide's not always the same as the next low tide or the last low tide. Sometimes they're lower. There's a good sea coin right there. Backside, a little rough, so almost a sea coin. Sea coins are typically bottoms of old bottles, candles, glasses. And if they remain a perfect circle and they're completely flawless on both sides, you can see this one's not. It's not a perfect, flawless circle. So it wouldn't be considered a true sea coin, but it's still pretty cool, worth keeping. So yeah, the real true sea coins are hard to find. Let me give you a close-up here. What we're working with. Millions and millions and millions of pieces of sea glass. We hand here all day and kick this back, and every night this regenerates with new stuff. This all gets washed out and washed back in. You can see the water's not very good as far as visibility goes right now. Typically I come here and I snorkel a lot, but right now it's really hard to see through the water. Like I said, visibility is maybe 1 foot, 2 feet. I think they've just been getting a lot of rains here. But you can still hang out in the shallow end here and kind of snipe stuff through the water. A lot of colors like blues and reds and oranges. A lot easier to see through the water than other colors. So you have your best chance of finding those in here. And since it's constantly washing around, lots of new stuff is constantly popping up at the top. You get a chance to reach in there and grab it. There's another really good pile right here. Look at that. That is rad. Don't typically find too many marbles over here, though at the other beach I go to, I do find a lot. I'm trying to keep my shadow out of the way here. So this morning I found, I want to say 43 marbles. It took me a couple of hours. I did find them all underwater. It's tougher than you'd think, but still pretty cool. And yeah, we compare that to Spain, where I found, I don't know, maybe 5 marbles in a month, or Italy, where I found just a few as well. So pretty cool. Some places have different types of sea glass. Every sea glass beach is different. They're all composed of different things, different types of glass. It really just depends on the situation as to how it became a sea glass beach in the first place. See up here on the top, just loads of stuff as well. We're gonna pick up the trash today, as always. And I'm gonna be digging through this whole pile. That's probably a ton, literal ton of sea glass right there. And let's go over here and check these piles out as well. Hope everybody's having a great day, no matter where you are. Ooh, is that a marble? Haha, marble. How cool is that? What a good place to be. Oh, you know what? It's got a hole in it. It was a bead. Whew. Warm out here, about 85 degrees. Perfect weather. Hoping for a little storm later this week to really shake things up. See a good bonfire over there. And then I thought I saw a good turquoise, a little piece of aqua there. That's not bad. And once I get done with this video, I'm going to pick up lots of these aquas and sea foams and a lot of the greens too. This is a great place to come if you want to make the sea glass Christmas trees, because you get a lot of good material. Be careful who you buy your sea glass Christmas trees from. I've been seeing a lot of fake Christmas trees. If it seems too good to be true, with a really rare color of, let's say, all pink on the Christmas tree, it's not real. Especially if they say it's coming from somewhere like Florida or something like that, where you know there's barely any sea glass, let alone thousands and thousands of pieces of pink. So just be wary. You know, if you're gonna buy sea glass, always best to buy it from someone who you know picks it up themselves. A lot of people buy sea glass and then resell it, so they don't even have 100% accuracy that it is real glass. Most people do, but you know, you just got to be careful out there today. There's a lot of people selling fake sea glass. You don't post any pictures of them hunting or of their beaches or anything, so just be careful out there, especially with Christmas coming around. You don't want to be buying any fake sea glass, getting caught into the rats. Wow, look at these sea palms, just so many of them. Beautiful, beautiful jewels. I'll definitely bring lots back home and put some of these in the advent calendars. Another good pile right over here. Tons of greens. You know, not so much blues, pinks, purples. Every once in a while I'll find a good red or orange here. But your best bet at this beach is digging up those piles, and then the visibility's good. Going just under the surface. Just in about 2-3 feet of water. Nothing too crazy. If you want to come to St. Kitts and check out Seaglass for yourself, let me know. Happy to help and recommend where to stay and all that, and help you find the beaches. So cool. All right, nothing too crazy we just found, but kind of cool how much sea glass there is. You're not so much hunting for sea glass as you're picking through all of it to find the good stuff, which is kind of fun. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to get your passports. Come check out beautiful St. Kitts, and I'll be around all week. Take care, guys.